Good morning, children. This is Bhavna. Today we are going to discuss about something. Here I want to ask you one question. What is food? Anyone can tell what is food? Okay, I'll tell you what is food. Food is a nutrient substance that people or animal eat or drink. Okay, and what is this you are seeing on the screen? Can you tell me? Here one bread, cheese, some veggies are there. What it is called? Yes, it is a burger which containing so much fat. And can you tell me what it is called as? Yes, it is called junk food. So, today we are going to discuss about food components which are useful to us. So many types of nutrients are there in these food components. Let us discuss about that. We have carbohydrates, minerals, proteins, fats, lipids, fiber, water, and all these stores in food. They will provide us so many nutrients, valuable supplements to us. And these food will give us extra strength and well-being. It will make us healthy. So, let us discuss what kind of food components, what kind of nutrients give us which type of benefits. So, let us move to our topic, food components. In food components, we have carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are carbs, we can say. These are energy giving foods which can give us very quick energy. And sugars and starch is also called as carbs. It is mostly prepared by plants because plants are autotrophic things and they will prepare starch with the process of photosynthesis. And we can get these food from leaves, stem, fruits, vegetables, and also from roots. Rice, millets, cereals, all these containing good amount of carbohydrates. Next, proteins. Do you know which will give us proteins? Yes, meat. Meat, milk, eggs will mostly having proteins. They are body building food materials which can provide us extra nourishment as well as they will build up good muscle strength and bone strength. Do you know, while we are taking pulses, meat, cheese, butter, eggs, fish, seafood, everything will give us a good amount of protein. Majorly, all pulses containing very rich content of protein and eggs, milk also containing protein with the source of calcium which is very much healthy and helpful to bone strength. Paneer and cottage cheese is also good amount of protein. Fats. Fats are the food which can give us quick energy and it will give good nourishment to the cell and they will store the food content to that. It can give energy while the cells are not getting food. Excess eating of fat will make us obese. This obesity is a kind of disease which can acquired by overeating of fats and doing very little work. Now we are supposed to expose to the sedentary life. We are specially sitting at one position and doing our works. It makes the fat contamination underneath of our cells. So this is nothing but obesity. Vitamins. Vitamins are the source which can helpful in many ways. They are protective foods. They will give extra nourishment and strength to our body. Vitamins like water soluble and fat soluble. Vitamin B and C, they can soluble in water. And vitamin A, D, E, K are fat soluble vitamins. We can get plenty of vitamins with the help of vegetables, fruits and seafood. Vitamin A will give us good eyesight strength and vitamin C will provide good skin and tendons, ligaments, etc. Vitamin B complex will deal with good neurosystem and it will give a good strength along the day. Vitamin D is obtained naturally from sunlight. Exposure to sunlight, it will give natural inbuilt strength of vitamin D which can helpful to absorb calcium from the food materials and it will give a strength of bones. Vitamin K is present inbuilt in our body which can avoid agglutinations in blood. Minerals. Minerals are also protective food which can give us electrolytes to our body. Minerals are just like calcium, magnesium, ferrous, zinc, sodium, potassium. They are inorganic substances. They will catalyze for many biological reactions, help for production of hormones and structural functions of bones. Just like calcium and phosphorus made the bone, they will balance the acidic and basic conditions by adding electrolytes. And the food, they will helpful to us to growth and well-being. Water is also a very good source. Most probably 77% of our body containing water. And it will helps to absorb the minerals from the food and helps to good metabolic activities. It will remove waste materials from the body and toxic materials too. And they will prevent heat. Roughages prevent constipation, helps to good digestion and they will help us in good defecation process. Soya and some vegetables are containing fiber. Balanced diet. Containing all nutrients together is known as balanced diet, which contain 50% of carbs, 35% of fats, 12% of proteins and 3% of vitamins.